Hi, this is my first video on LinkedIn and Forex Flow Live. Just a quick rundown on Asia. First of all, I'm Patrick Reid. Many of you know already, but I'm just going to do a bit of a test. And I'm going to show you my charts, talk you through my views, and yeah, just let me know in your comments. And just kicking off with Asia. Nothing to note as dollar was hugely mixed, a bit softer on Kiwi dollar. The only thing is Nikkei got hammered. It's recovered a bit, but it's looking pretty weak. So I keep an eye on dollar yen for a steer today. Nothing really else. Confined ranges. Euro dollar and cable, you can see euro dollar on the chart. Euro dollar and cable are quietly bid. I said yesterday in my blog that we needed to stay 116.10 and then 116.20. We have, so I'm just going to show you around, sorry about this, around here where the arrow is defended. That's the 200-hour moving average. So that's a bullish sign. We do have this little level up here. And if you look on the daily, this is making a bit more sense now. So I'll show you. There's a level here at 116.60, which kind of coincides on the hourly as well. There, see. Yeah, so I said 2 days ago on my blog that we're looking to find a base on euro dollar. We are. Well, I mean, I think, we have found a bit of a base. Let's just have a look. And that base is 115.80. Look, you can see where it's tried here, failed, previous low there, tried and love, and it couldn't. I think I said 4 days ago that the downside was muted. And normally before a market tries to find a base, it tries to extend the trend and can't, or it runs out of steam. So if it can't go down, what happens? It goes up. So now we sit at 116.37. I'm going to put a timestamp. It's 08:45 on the 10th of November. So in case you guys watch this later on today. Couple of things today. Brexit talks continue. Made to enshrine 29th of March 2019 into law. John Kerr, he's a guy who helped write Article 50 bill. He's expected to say it can be revoked. Kind of knew that already, but just goes to show what kind of positioning and messaging is coming out. Let's see what David Davis and Barnier come up with after the negotiations in their press conference. I'm not sure of the time, but yeah, as you were really, my view hasn't changed. I think Eurodollar is showing. I mean, it's found a tiny base, and it's doing all the right things to look for a leg up higher. Just happy to sort of see buys down here, this area here, 116.20 area. Cable, you see, yesterday I said there might be a break at 130, 160. Tried, failed, looked a bit ropey this morning, and guess what? We're back up there. This looks like it's pretty thin. I mean, it's a thin week. Participants are less. Last week was pretty busy data-wise. Let's look at the daily on cable. Sorry about all the lines. It's just for me, but let's look. Yeah, I've been banging on about 130.50. Happy to buy down there, as always. It's a massive daily, massive level on the daily. And on the daily, there's a bit of a level on the 131.60. Obviously, that coincides with this level. But if that breaks, if 131.60, look for retest and expect large buys there on the retest. And then the next target is 132.80. So don't expect too much. euro sterling. I'm not really going to touch that. It's not my favorite cross, but yeah, dollar yen looks like it's going to sort of turn over. Really, I mean, you can see on the daily, it's it's stuttering. That 114.35 to 70 is massive. I heard more than 3 yards of Japanese corks offered up there. But even if that's just desk talk, have a look at this here. And if you see my cursor, this here, this is on the daily. This is massive. And obviously loads of work's been done here, loads of congestion. Tried. And now we've got lower highs on the daily, just coming off that. And the key thing I do when I look for tiredness on a top, just look at where it's broken through 135. It's gone up, taking stops out to 77-ish. And now it's using that 31.14.35 as a remembered line or a level again. And that's a good sign to see a top. We do have to break 113.40 area. And then 113, the big figure, is not a bad level on the hourly. But that's it from me. Leave comments, please. It's my first video, so if you disagree, tell me, because it makes me better at my job. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Just give me your thoughts. And yeah, have a good day.